Hello guys, today we are going to learn about data analysis expression DAX in Power BI and also basic data visualization for beginners. So if you're a beginner, just stick around to this video and you'll get everything about the nitty-gritties in Power BI in just a few minutes. So I already have my data loaded up in Power BI. I have my data loaded up in Power BI. I connected to Excel. In Power BI, you can connect to so many other sources, but in my own case, I connected to my Excel workbook. So we are going to start our basic data analysis expression right now. So right here is my in Power BI, we have three pages. We have the report page, we have our data page, and also where we do our modeling. So the report page is where we build our visuals, while the data is where we can see our table and also make some kind of DAX expressions and also some kind of formattings to our table. Then for our modeling is where we connect different tables together using a unique identifier. So here I'll go to my table. It's gonna load up. I have like up to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 columns right here in this particular Excel workbook. So it's going to load up and then we'll get right on. So this is actually a sales details of an electronic company. It's actually a hypothetical electronic company. So here we have our order ID, we have our order dates, we have our unit cost, we have our unit price, we have our order quantity, channel, promotion name, product category, and promotion name. So what we want to do here is that we want to achieve one thing here. We don't have our sales here, our revenue column here. So using data analysis expression, we're going to achieve that. Also, we don't have our gain, whether we made gain in this particular product or whether we made a loss. So we're going to do that right now. So I'm going to open up a new column. So what's this column name going to be? We can call it our sales column or our revenue, but I want to use sales. If you're familiar with Excel, this is same thing. Just like we have Excel, this is just the same thing that we're going to do here. Sales. So what is our sales? Our sales is our unit price multiplied square bracket. Once I click on the square bracket, it's going to call up all the columns for me. Times our order quantity. Enter. So using DAX now, we're going to achieve a new column known as what? Sales. Just by doing normal calculations, just the way we do in Excel. If you're familiar with the formulas, the sum formula and the calculation formulas in Excel, Power BI formula is almost the same thing. It's as thick as anything you could actually think of. So these are 6 column here. We've gotten a column named sales. We've gotten a column named what? Sales. Now also we want to get our total cost column. Our total cost column. We still go to what? Add new column. Add new column. What is the column name gonna be? Total costs. Then what's our total cost? Square bracket, other quantity multiplied by unit cost. Yeah. And we'll have our total cost. So we want to know our profit. You still add new column. Column name, profit. Our profit is our sales. Our sales minus our total cost. Enter. So also using DAX again, we could also write a conditional statement. A conditional statement: if this is this, let it be this, else let it be this. So we're going to do that now to know if we made profit or we gain, or we made loss or we gain. We're going to write a DAX for that. So I'm also going to add a new column. Let's call this column status. Status. Now, if what is our column name? In brackets. if profit column equals 0, comma, let it be what? Loss else gain. Enter. Oh, in After we don't have any loss, really. Okay, let's change our DAX. Let's add less than 0 instead of greater than 0. Let's see what it's going to give us. So less than 0. Enter. So he's working on it, and then we're going to sort again and see if we actually didn't make loss or we made gain in these products. Boom, now we'll have it. So I want to filter by loss, so we made loss in these products. So let me change it to default filter. And there we have it. So these are the basic changes I want to do. Okay, I want to also change the table name. I'll come to my modeling. What is the table name? Just right click. I don't want it to be named table 1. I can rename the table. Maybe to electronic sales. So now we are ready to visualize. So I just go to my reports page, and then we're going to start doing the magic of data visualizations in Power BI. So in Power BI, I can do a drag and drop, or I'll use what we call the Q&A box, or use the Q&A. So first of all, let's do a visual of product name, profits by product name. So I want it to come up as a column chart. I click on my column chart. Profits, and profit by channel. Profit by channel. This is my profit by channel. I can change this chart from a column chart to be a donut chart. I just change it to be a donut chart. Boom, we'll have a visual right here. Then I don't want to use the drag and drop. I want to use the Q&A right now. I want to get the top 10 selling states, the top 10 states that will make our profiting. So Q&A is just putting in text, and data BI will do the magic in the backend for you and bring in the visuals and the columns that you want to call up just right up. So I want to get the top 10 sales states that we made a lot of profits from them. It's actually preparing the Q&A for me. It's taking a bit of time. Now we'll have it. So I'll just type how to make it bold. So see, typing top 10 states by percent plus states by profits. So I want to know the top 10 states by the number of profit that they have, and already Power BI have already called this up for me. Very, very interesting. I want to study into standard visual now. And now we'll have it. Our top 10 states by profit. I did not do any drag and drop here. I did not do any coding here. I just typed what I want, and Power BI gave it to me. These are top 10 states in form of the column chart. The first state is Ebonyi, we'll have Kwara, we'll have Delta. So I want to see how much that we generated, how much profit that we generated in each of these. I'm just going to go to my format visual and I'm going to on the data label on. I want to get the data label. So right here, the data label is off. I just put it on. Now we'll have our data label on. Ebonyi 7.3, Aquara 4.1 million. This is very, very interesting. All right, I want to make another visual. I want to get the top product category, our sales by product category. This is our sales by product category. I want it to come in form of a tree map. We have it here. This is our sales by product category in form of a tree map. I want to make a slicer so that I can filter this. I can actually filter this. So I want to filter by my year. Go to other dates, date hierarchy, year, and it's going to color. So this year I want to make it to come in like a button, make it a list. I want it to come in as a button. Go to my visuals, slicer setting, make it to be horizontal. Horizontal. And then my selection should be single select. So we have our year now. With the slicer. So anyone I click, the visuals are going to correspond by the year. For instance, I want to know what really happened within my profit by channel, by the state, and sales by product category in 2013. This is what happened in 2014. And this is what happened in 2013. You see that my slicers are changing just as I click the years. We made 1.5k in 2011, 2012 we made 2.7k in Ebonyi, 2.7 million. And that is it. This is awesome. Also, I also like to add another slicer here, which is my slicer button. I want to also know what's happening in each of the zone. I also like to know what's happening in each of the zone. So it's already as a list. I want to make it to be a horizontal, so it come up like a button. Horizontal. And then the selection should be single select. So this is what happened in Federal Capital Territory Zone. We have 40 pesos in the FCT. In the Northeast, let's see what happened in Northeast in 2013. Bono made 0.57M. It's also Adama 0.04M. In SAT in 2013, let's know what happened in 2012. Delta made 1.19M in SAT. Can you see what PowerBi is doing for me? Just like clicking on the slicers and it's just giving me a smooth filter. So we'd like us also to add one more visual here. So we want to know our profits by the promotion name. We want to know which promotion did we make much more profit in. So change it to these are promotion name, and this is the profit that we made in each of the promotion names. So my profit by state, I would also like to make it to be come as a map. Let's see how that goes. Microsoft Bing, for it to come out as a map, you have to check your browser settings and also make sure if you're connected. Right here, PowerBi has done the magic for me. It has already brought out all my states and the sales and the profit I made in the sales as a map. So we see right here in Abuja, right here, we know what we made in Akwa Ibom. We also know what we made in Abuja. So you can put it as a map or you can put it as a bar chart. So depending on the one that you want. So with this, you're going to build your first visual for your data analysis project. You can add it to your portfolio and just play around with the data, and you're all set and good to go. So to watch more about formatting, visuals formatting, and to get more insight about that, watch my next video. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video.